Hello everyone, welcome to Dante's Daily Diary. Hope you're having a great time. Today, nandito ako sa Dunkin Donuts ngayon and I'm gonna have some breakfast. Na-miss ko kasi yung Dunkin Donuts breakfast. So, join me folks, let's go.
Dante's Daily Diary. Dante's Daily Diary. Dante's Daily Diary. Dante's Daily Diary.
Peanut butter? What is that?
Okay, my first stop is Home Depot. So, I'm just gonna buy something for my project. Okay, let's go. Okay, our next stop, Walmart, over there, behind me. Tingnan natin kung makakabili tayo ng wood tape dito. Kailangan ko sa construction, dun sa project na ginagawa ko. Let's go, let's check it out. Dito sa Walmart, Walmart USA. Hindi ko naman nabili yung gusto ko, pero nakabili naman ako ng tape. I didn't get what I was looking for, but I was able to get some tape. I'll show it to you. Here it is. Meron din sa Canada nito mga nabili ko, pero mas mahal. There's also the same items in Canada, but it's expensive. Here is much more cheaper. Shopping din muna pag may time. Wala masyadong tao kasi weekdays. Kita nyo, konti lang naglalakad oh. See, there's not much people here now because it's weekdays. Look, not much people. Look at that. See? The store is a bit empty, but there are still few people, but it's empty. Well, almost empty. Mahigito kasi walang masyadong tao, makakapili ka doon sa mga gusto mong bilhin. Alright, tingin tayo mga folks. Mura yung Levi's ngayon kasi 40% discount, ibinaba na nila yung presyo, 50%, see, 50% discount, ibinaba na nila yung presyo, tapos may 40% discount pa. So, dapat yung mga ganitong, after Mother's Day, bagsak presyo sila. So, yun ang tatimingan nyo. Kaya masarap maggala, pagkataas ng occasion, bagsak presyo talaga sila. Wala tao. Yeah, hapo muna tayo. Let's sit down for a bit. says relax and charge. So upo muna tayo dito. Let's just sit here for a bit. We will relax and charge. Oh. Yeah. Relax and charge. So, ganito lang folks. Gala-gala lang muna. Pag walang gig o walang trabaho, walang magawa, gala lang. Ganun lang. Tingin-tingin lang ng mga sale. Ito, gala-gala lang. No? I'm with my lead guitarist, RJ. Iris. There. See? Ganun lang. Gala-gala lang. Folks. Tapos, practice na ulit. Gig ulit. Check tayo dito sa Mountain Warehouse. Let's check Mountain Warehouse if we can buy something inside. Folks, let's go. Okay. Mountain Warehouse. I got something. So, nakakuha tayo ng isang item sa Mountain Warehouse. Okay. Let's check Exotic Snack Factory. Let's try and see what we can buy inside. Let's go, folks. Ooh, Japanese. Okay, so most of the item here are from Japan. You already have the idea. Yeah, nagpunta na kami sa Japan. We went to Japan already, so it's not a big deal anymore. Wow, but it's still good. Okay, nakabili na naman tayo. We bought some snacks here at the Exotic Snack Factory. Oh, meron na naman, oh. Ang dami. Oh. Dami. So, see? Thank you. Wow. Oh, ang dami. Sarap talagang mamili dito. Murang-mura lang. Oh. Mga ibang klaseng lace, oh. Oh. Ang dami sa loob. Grabe, mura talagang mamili rito. Very nice. So, ganun lang folks. Pag wala kayong magawa sa Canada, sa Toronto, tawid lang kayo ng border dito sa US. Dito kayo mamili. Mas mura. Tikman natin to, ha? Yeah, let's try this. Dorito Japanese seafoods. Wow. Let's try it. Japanese seafoods. Delicious. Stop. Items here for sale are so cheap after the Mother's Day celebration. All of these, look. All of these are buy one take. All of these are buy one take one. So lahat ng mga nandito, buy one take one. Bumili ka ng isa, bibigyan ka ng isa. Ganun.